I used ado dye. I got my gloves, my mixing bowl, and I poured the dye into the bowl. My hair is already washed and dried, and I sectioned it into 4 parts. You need to make sure you work in sections so that you can get to every part of your hair. I wore a dark color top because hair dye is always messy. Then I also worked in sections, so the back of my hair first before I went to the front of my hair. Then now I'm just showing you the difference in the color, the bleach part and the part that is already colored. Then for the front, so that I can show you what I actually did, I sectioned the hair into smaller parts and put the dye on every strand of hair. I made sure every part was covered. Now remember, I'm just using adult paprika dye. There is no developer, nothing in it, so you need to make sure your hair is already pre-lightened so that it can take in the color. After I did that, I made sure every part of my hair was covered in the color. Then I went in with my disposable shower cap. I put this over my hair for about 2-3 hours to make sure the dye settled in. So this is the hair. This is what it looks like. This is my hair the next morning, and I'm trying to get ready for work. So when I washed out the dye, I put white vinegar all over the hair to kind of set the color, because I heard white vinegar sets hair color. So let's see if my hair color lasts longer this time. I used paprika dye and I thought it was going to be more orange, but it looks a lot redder than I wanted, but I think it's going to be fine. I'm going to do a quick Afro Puff to the office today because I'm already late, so there's no time to do plenty ceremony. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is to remove my hair from the twists that I put it in when I washed it, and then I'm going to put in some hair oil. Now it's in a male bottle, but I made my own mixture with like rosemary and mint and all of that, because if you look, the color is different from the regular male. And so I'm just going to put that in my hand and rub it all over my scalp, because honestly your hair dropper should not be touching your scalp. Because of bacteria and all of that, you'll be introducing all of that bacteria back into the hair oil. So do that for a bit. Like I said, I don't cook my hair after I wash it, so I'm just going to like kind of pick it to remove any kind of knots that I could have gotten. Now it's time for the puff. I use this, an elastic band with no metal. So first thing I do is to put it in my edge. Hopefully I don't choke myself. Then I'm going to use Eco Styler. Eco Styler has never failed me in doing my buns for work. I take my bristle brush and just go in. Let me turn so you see what the back looks like. Yeah, then I take my hair, I don't know what it's called. I take it and then I just, you know, then kind of do this to make it look sensible, kind of. Now, sometimes it looks orange, sometimes it looks red. I don't know, it's a weird color to place. but I think I like it. And I think it will also wash out very pretty after some time. Okay, with that done, on my edges I use gummy wax to do my edges, and what I just do is take the tip of it, take out some gummy, put it on my baby hairs. Baby, baby, no, like baby, 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 no, no, baby, 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 no. You should always be mine, mine, no, No, I don't do anything dramatic. I just brush it in. I don't do anything dramatic. I just brush my edges. I might decide to do a little swoop, but this one's like the very front ones. But that's all. I'm going to put in my scarf, just a regular scarf, to kind of hold everything down while I do my makeup. I just put on some lip gloss and then I remove the scarf because my makeup is already done, and that's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.